This is a quick video on how to export a road file to GCS900 or AccuGrade 900. If you go to Project, Export, Machine Job Site Design Exporter, Road Surface. I've got to build my corridor real quick in version 3.3. So I'm going to go back to Project, Export, Machine Job Site Design Exporter, Surface, Road Surface. I'm going to choose the I-35, choosing my alignment. For my align work, I can hit Control A and grab everything on my screen, but I come over here and deselect the alignment because I just added it right here under alignment. I'm going to click Add. It's going to GCS900 version 12.6. I'm going to put it in a folder. I'll call this one Test 6. Hit Open. I'll call this Test 6. I'm going to hit Export. Alright, now I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to go to Project, Export, Machine Job Site Design Exporter, switch it to Road Surface, select my corridor, have my alignment selected, and hit Control All again and add it. This time I left the alignment in there. Same thing, I'm going to go and put it in the same folder and call it Test 7. I'm going to hit Export. So the first one, Test 6, I did not use the centerline alignment as line work. Test 7, I did. I'm going to come here to the emulator. I'm going to go to James first. Going to grab Test 6 and Test 7. Right click, copy. I'm going to send these to the emulator. So I'm going to go Menu, select Design. I'm going to go to Test 6, hit OK. Now, if I select a horizontal alignment for guidance, I can go to Alignment, and I can choose Auto Select Road Alignment, or I can go to Plan Line. I'm going to choose Auto Select Road Alignment. You can see it's highlighted the entire way. If I go horizontal offset plan line, hit OK. I can select that same line, hit OK, accept, and it's still highlighted. Now if I go Menu, select Design, and choose Test 7, if I go horizontal offset, alignment none. I'm going to go to plan line and hit select. You can see it only highlights that segment.